Friends, Amana app, it is a trading and investment app, and in this video we'll just check how to create our own account in Amana app. Watch the video till end because in this video I will show you step by step how to create your own Amana account. So this is the account application and we'll just click on install and we'll just check what is there inside. This looks like this, where you can get all the trade stocks, FX, ETFs, US stocks and many more. Okay, zero fees, no commission on stocks, ETFs, MENA and more fractional trading included. Global stock access, invest in US stocks, 6+ MENA exchanges all in one app. Looks pretty good. Okay, Amana earn, your money works for you even when it's waiting to be deployed into opportunities. So this is what we'll just look into. Okay, and we are installing the application. As you can check, the application is installed successfully. We'll just open the application. Notifications, I don't like notifications, so I'll just not allow right now. And here is two things that you can do, either login or sign up. Because I don't have my account, I will just click on sign up. If you have account, you can just click on login, put credentials and just continue. And here is the option whether you can just put your email ID or you can use Google. I always prefer Google, so I will just click on Google. And here all the Google accounts will come. We just need to select the correct Google. Okay, so we'll just click the account that we are selecting, and as you can check, it is the place where we will enter our name. So I'll just give my name and the last name and then press on continue. Nationality, I'll just select India because I'm from India. You can select your own nationality, and then okay, here also I need to select India, and residence I should be selecting United Arab Emirates because I'm from India and right now I'm here at United Arab Emirates. And here is the place where I will provide my mobile number, and I'll just verify my mobile number. So I have provided the OTP here. If you don't receive it by SMS, just check your WhatsApp on the same number. You will be receiving it there itself. Okay. Verification. Okay, the verification is successful. Please wait while we get your information. So we'll just hold on. The Emirates ID verification is still not done. Okay. I'll just put the fingerprint, and here is the place where I will give my date of birth. So I'll just select it. Gender should be male, and then we'll click on next. Step by step I'm showing you how to create your own account. You'll be finding the link in the description. You can just get it from there and install and create your own account. Profession, I'll just give employed. Industry, I'll put retail trade. Okay, position, no problem, and then company is Transguard. So here is the place you will be providing our company details. Where are you working now? And source of wealth, we can do salary, annual income, like this is good. Net worth, let's put this only, no problem. Okay, I'll just put this. Okay, and then next. So do you have TIN? No, I don't have it. Are you an US citizen? No. Okay, select reason. This country's jurisdiction does not issue TINs. Okay, so we'll just click on next now. So things are a little bit critical. We need to Be very careful while putting any information. Are you any family member senior executive? No. Are you one of your family members which lives with you or a brokerage? No. Are you a politically exposed person? No. And then click on next. So here is the acknowledgement. I'll just agree and give a promo code. This is the place where we need to enter a promo code, friends. Okay, this is very important. If you don't put a proper promo code, you will not be getting the bonus. Okay, and I'll just, and then I'll just click on next. You will be finding the promo code in the description, and also it has been shown in the display. Just use this and get bonus. Okay, so the next part is we need to get verified with our Emirates ID. Okay, be prepared. Please ensure to have your Emirates ID document handy. Be prepared to capture a selfie. Very simple. We have done this many times in some other applications. So here I'll just select identity card, which will be our Emirates ID, and then click on next. Make sure you have good lighting. Keep your hand steady. Okay, so I have the Emirates ID ready with me. I'll just click on I am ready, and I'll just give the permission to access my camera, and I'll just, okay, it has captured by itself. Okay, I'll just click on okay, it looks okay, and then the back side. It is very easy, friends. Okay, this has also captured itself, no problem. And now I just need to take a selfie of myself. Okay, so I'll just take the selfie. As you can check, ID document submitted successfully and the selfie is also taken successfully. I'll just click on done. Your account is pending for approval. We will update you soon. So everything is done successfully. Just from the Amana side, all the things that I have done right now should be verified. Okay, your status has been changed to approved to deposit, as you can check. So this is the profile. Okay, and here is the notification settings, auto deposit, Amana invest, crypto depository, and here is for you. The dashboard looks like this somehow. Right now I have no deposit, so it is showing $00. I can just click here and deposit my first amount, and then I can just trade like normally people does. Okay, watch list. If you just keep some things in your watch list, you will find it here. This is the portfolio where you will get all the orders, activity, and if you have just invested in some of the stocks. This is the academy where you can just learn about new things about investment and everything. So right now I have created successfully my account in Amana app. It is a trading and investment app. You will also find the link in the description. You can just click there and create your own account. This is a very good app which I will be using from now. Let's see the notifications, pending orders and prices, deposit withdrawals, warning and health. So everything looks good. So I have successfully created my account. Following this same process, you can also create your own account in Amana app. Okay, I hope you like the video. Do hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.